Thinking of fencing your yard or garden, but the prices are overwhelming? Don't worry. You can still create a stunning boundary without going over budget. Let's jump right into the best budget fence ideas that are easy, stylish, and affordable. Pallet fence. Pallet fences are super budget-friendly and can be sourced for free. Just sand, paint, and arrange vertically or horizontally for a rustic look. Rope fence. Rope fences are perfect for gardens or decorative barriers. They're easy to install and bring a natural coastal vibe. Mesh and wood combo. Use metal mesh with wood framing to create a modern and sturdy fence. Great for pets and gardens. Bamboo fence. Bamboo rolls are cheap and easy to attach to existing fences. They offer a natural look and great privacy. Corrugated metal fence. Corrugated metal offers great protection and durability. Frame it with wood for a clean contrast. Recycled doors fence. Using old doors creates a unique and quirky barrier. Mix and match for character and charm. PVC pipe fence. PVC pipe is inexpensive and weather-resistant, making it a perfect option for quick installs. Wattle fence. Wattle fences use flexible branches woven around stakes, perfect for a country garden vibe. Simple picket fence. Picket fences are iconic and easier to build than you think. Use pre-cut panels to save money. Chicken wire garden fence. Keep critters out with simple chicken wire fencing. It's budget-friendly and very effective. From gabion walls to tire fences, there's no shortage of creative ways to enclose your space without emptying your wallet. Let us know in the comments which fence you'd love to try. And if you want help making your fencing dreams a reality, call Caan Fence Inc. today at 781-767-3596 or visit caanfenceinc.com to get started with your next project.